Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you the easy steps to add a stamp to a PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's get started. First, find and open Systweak PDF Editor on your desktop PC. Once you're in Systweak PDF Editor, click on File in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Open. Now, locate and open the PDF document where you want to add a stamp. Once the document is open, click on Comment in the upper toolbar. In the toolbar that appears below, click on Stamp. Here, select the stamp you want to use from the list. There are various options, including approved, expired, sold, completed, and many more. Once you've selected the stamp, find the spot where you want to place it in the document and click to add it. And that's it! You successfully added a stamp to your PDF document using Systweak PDF Editor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.